following the woman who was running towards the room where her father was in coma but woke up just few hours ago. Jungkook stopped when he saw Van going inside the room. Jungkook gulped and looked at the door which got closed. He knew something was coming for him, and that was not good. He already knew that waking of Liam will always be bad for him, but he didn't knew that it will come this fast and also on that day when he was expressing himself. And worse was that she was ready to accept him. Now he didn't knew what will happen next. Half an hour was passed, but he didn't went inside and also Van didn't came outside. He knew he have to face the situation, so he decided to went inside because the storm was still calm. What if Liam didn't told anything to Vine? He was still positive, so thinking after a few minutes he went inside. Vine thought I was with Jungkook on the date and I got the call that my dad woke up. I was so happy because today was indeed my day. On one hand, my dad was back, who was everything to me, and secondly, I got my soulmate. Maybe this day was the best day of my life. Jungkook took me to the hospital and I came inside only to see my father sitting on the bed looking at the front wall. When he turned towards me, he smiled faintly and I ran and hugged him tightly. Unknowingly, my tears came out of my eyes and my father chuckled. Liam, why my daughter is crying? One, I don't know. Maybe it's happy tears, or maybe because I missed you a lot, Dad. Liam, don't worry, now I'm back. Vine broke the hug and Liam wiped her tears. Vine smiled and asked him how he was feeling, and he said that he was fine. But then Liam said, when I woke up, I was so worried for you that what that John Jungkook would have done to you in my absence. Vine frowned, but then she said with a soft smile, no, Dad, and nothing happened. In fact, he was there for me all the time. He helped me in business and mafia stuff, and along with that, she was cut off by Liam when he said, Vine, what are you saying? Vine frowned and paused for a second. She saw how confused her father was, and she could sense that something was fishy, so she asked, Father, what happened? Liam, Vine, I think you don't know the truth. Vine frowned and Liam knew he was right. Liam signed and told his daughter's hand. Liam, I think that didn't told you the truth. Actually, that day, then Liam told her everything. How Jungkook got exposed in front of him that day by Leo. Liam told her everything. How Jungkook accepted and used him to get her. Ryan was shocked. She never thought that she was trusting him blindly like that. In fact, she trusted him, but he broke her trust. She considered his lie all trust. She became fool in his hands. She was feeling that pain deeply because she had fallen for him. Liam could see the pain in his daughter's eyes. Then who shot you dead? Vine wasn't ready to hear his name at all because she was feeling ashamed of herself for trusting him that deeply. Liam sighed and said, I don't know either, but I know that it was not him because someone had shot me from behind and JK was in front of me. Vine gulped, but then she said, that means he knows who it was. Liam nodded his head and Vine became angry. Her whole face turned red and she was about to go out, but Liam pulled her hand and made her sit again. Liam, no, not now, Vine. Tears gathered in her eyes and Liam was confused but was getting it. Vine got lost in her thoughts. She got betrayed by him. She knew something was not right, but she didn't had any idea that he was doing all this. Unknowingly, tears rolled down from her eyes, making Liam frown. She was sitting and her back was facing door. The door got open and the person who didn't belong to them came inside. Vine didn't turn around because she knew who it was. She didn't want to see him at all. Her mind was going rough, but Liam looked at the person, probably glared at him as it was none other than Jacob. Liam glared at him, but Vine didn't turn. Jungkook looked at Liam and then at Vine, whose back was showing him. He was sensing the situation and he easily got it that she knew everything. His girlfriend took steps towards her but was stopped by Liam. Liam, what are you doing here, John? Jungkook, good to see you too, Liam. Never knew you will woke up this soon. Liam, looks like I'm on time because I just saved my daughter whom you were trapping in your nonsense. That hit Jungkook hard. He glared at Liam and looked at Vine, then Jungkook, there is nothing nonsense. I had my reasons. Vine, guards. Liam and Jungkook looked at Vine, who shouted, calling guards. She still didn't turn back, and Jungkook took a step forward. Jungkook, Vine, Vine, listen to me. Vine, guards. Jungkook was looking at her, and this time four guards came. They came and stood beside Jungkook. Vine gulped and then said angrily, finish him. Jungkook looked at Vine with no emotion. He was shocked because he never thought she will say something like that. Liam also looked at Vine. Guards looked at each other, didn't getting what she said. Jungkook knew he can't give up. He said, Vine, please give me a chance to explain. Vine, I said, finish him right now. Guards nodded and they hold Jungkook. He jerked them away and tried to came towards Vine, but guards tried to catch him again. Jungkook, don't do this, Vine. You know I'm serious about you. Let me explain. Guards hold him and he was struggling to go out. One of the guards took out the gun, which got noticed by Jungkook and Liam. Vine wasn't even looking back. Guard hesitantly pointed his gun because he knew who was standing. Jungkook gritted his teeth and took a chance glance at Vine, who was showing her back. In a swift, he snatched his gun from the guard and elbowed the back guard, making him stumble. Jungkook kicked another one and punched the next. Four of them were on floor. Jungkook. Vine, look at me. I said, look at me. But she didn't. Jungkook sensed that more guards were coming inside. He looked at Vine with sad eyes and everything was going noticed by Lee. Jungkook, it's not over here, Vine. Not now. Door got open and guards came inside, but Jungkook was fast enough to tackle them. He'd fight with them and went out. Liam looked at Vine and found her looking at the bed expressionless. Her eyes were red, but she wasn't looking serious. She knew Jungkook was gone from the room and he will easily leave the hospital. Vine, yes, it's not over, Jungkook. Run as much as you want, but it's not over. Vine said in whisper. Liam heard it. Liam didn't say anything because he knew in this 1 month he have missed lots of things which had happened and he have to find out before doing something. Vine was still lost in her thoughts as it was much hard for her. Locking the door of the room, he was back at home and was destroying his whole room. Everything was coming in his mind. He was throwing it on the floor, on the wall. His room was messed up. Fuming in anger, he was cursing himself and the situation in which he came. I was continuously banging on the door, but Jungkook was not listening to anyone. He threw the decor piece at the wall and then he started punching on the wall. His hand started bleeding, but he didn't stop. At last, he stopped when his hand and wall was covered with blood. Pressed his head on the wall and started taking deep breaths. He was breathing heavily. Jungkook, just a moment of second. She was about to say yes, but everything messed up. He kept punching hard on the wall while shouting, "Why?" The door got opened with a burst and Tai came inside along with carts. He stopped Jungkook, but Jungkook pushed him and Tai fell on the floor. Jungkook again punched, but Tai dragged him away. Jungkook looked at the guards and shouted, "Get out." Tai motioned guards to leave and they did. Jungkook was breathing heavily. Tai stopped at Jungkook. Jungkook turned towards him and shot him a glare, and in a second he pinned Tai at the wall and started choking him. "Jungkook, you were the one who shot him. She hates me now." Tai was going out of breath, but he wasn't stopping. Soon Jungkook left him and Tai tried to catch his breath. Jungkook was fuming in anger and Tai slowly stood up. "Tai, look, Jungkook. If you want, I can go to her and confess." Jungkook shot him a glare and said, "You think it's that simple? You think you will stand in front of her and will tell her that she will come back to me? No, she won't because she hates me now." That Liam told her everything. She didn't even listen to me. She wasn't even looking at me. Jungkook sat on the bed. Put his hand on his forehead. He gulped and tried to calm himself, but the thought of her going away, which had happened, was making him aggressive more. She was gone, and that's what he knew. His all efforts went in vain. He wanted her to love him, but she hated him more. Subscribe to my YouTube channel for the next part.